Biko unewe iwe. Onwara ajusi kanjo. Why na video actually got viral? Why this video is not trending? This video of Ebuka Obi Ifaro na Mbulishi, Imo State, motherless babies home, charity home, a hospital, and rest of it all. Why now this video is not trending? Oh, well, even to the blog name. In as much as na eziokwu or you made mistake, I am correct here through blogging. The reality. Every time, no, also mistake. I can blog. Or you made mistake, yes, we have rights to blog so that the person will correct himself. But when you in coma, bring development, what is called a role, weapon sentiment, weapon oka, weapon religion, it will motivate that person to do more. This structure that I read back at that, this structure I read back at that, I read at Yoruba land, I read at Hausa land, I read at Lagos, Ala Igbo. You must not come from Imo State before you say good thing that comes in Imo State. You must not come from Imo State before you hear about Imo State. Ala Igbo. Tomorrow I will be Biafra na Igbo. If I Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I'm very, very happy. I'm a lover of good thing. So that's my own way we can be. So I've a reason why most bloggers upload this video. Maybe I only can people that say all the go nagi, all the Korean nagi, all the Kakwana go. Women that's the only language people that I like carry eating here. You could say all the Kakwana go. Oh yeah, because here I don't mind. You could go Ezogu, the other group are saying all the Kakwana go. Let us remove those sentiments and say the truth at all time. If I Evangelist Ebuka Obi, to be frankly speaking, in fact, Omaka. Now he's bringing it to Anambra State and Enugu State, 5 states. Happening war, happening Saga. Praise here. It will give him morale to do more. If he praise here, if I had a ball post. Let us hear from Ebuka Obi what he said he's going to do more in Igbo land.
Free of charge. All the orphanage. May God bless the African Foundation. So, what is happening in Imo State today will also happen in Anambra State 2 months from now. Anambra State own is like 5 times bigger than the Imo State own. We started Anambra own before the Imo State own, but we have to rush Imo State own. So we're happy. God bless you, Zionites worldwide. Happy Easter. Very soon we'll all be heading to Muruchi, where we're going to unveil the building for orphanage and building for Odibuso. God bless you all.
A lot of Yorubas are asking, any plans of expanding to the southwest, the western area of Nigeria?
All the Yorubas are asking?
Yes, sir.
Of course, our plan is to have it in all the states in Nigeria. But you know that charity begins at home. So now we are done with Imo State. We are going to, we have not even finished. If you check, we have about 20-something plots there. We only have 2 buildings there. As people are coming, we'll be expanding the building here in Imo State. But Anambra own is more than 6-7 buildings in Anambra own, which will be opening June, July by God's grace. So we will get to every state in Nigeria.
Other questions are being asked about how they can be a part of the project, seeing that you are the one championing it alone. Is there a way they can be a part of it to probably sponsor and all of that?
Yeah. Saga Foundation have a lot of sponsors, people that are supporting it. So anybody, we don't charge people. The other people that will be there will be feeding them, make sure they have 24 hours electricity, and the little kids free of charge. So anyone that is led to support, I mean, the foundation account will be there. But if you're not led, please keep your money.
Lastly, taking up people off the streets, how do you think this will benefit Nigerians at large?
A whole lot. What we're doing is, if you go to all the developed countries in the world, they have old people's home. It's only here in Nigeria that is like a strange thing to us. Go to US, UK, Canada, everywhere in the world. So I've traveled abroad, different countries, and I see things like this. So it is my duty to bring it home and to make our people to at least, go to different villages. You see so many of them living helplessly. They have no children. But them now staying with us here, we can be able to monitor their health, check their BP, know that they are okay. Feed them 3 square meals in a day. So it is better. So if you see those old men and women in the village abandoned, without no children or nobody taking care of them, please contact us immediately. Immediately we unveil this, we are going to have a number. Contact us, we will go and pick that person, and that person will have a good life until when the Lord will say it is the time.
Thank you.
It's a vision. A vision. I have passion for humanity.